Imagine if we were to see the south pole of the sun for the first time. Would we discover something that had been hidden until now? In the world of science, there are some moments so powerful that they shake our minds. One such moment came on June 11, 2025, when man first saw the south pole of the sun, a part that had been hidden for billions of years. But the question is, what is so special about this south pole? And what could seeing it mean for human life? There have been many missions to the upper reaches of the sun, but our focus has always been on the visible side of the equator. Why? Because it was extremely difficult to see the South Pole. High radiation, extreme heat, and complex angles made it impossible. But NASA and the ESA Solar Orbiter made the impossible possible. When the first images came in, scientists noticed that the magnetic field at the South Pole behaved differently from the rest of the places, and those unusual coronal holes, where high-speed solar winds emerge, were more active in this region. And the theory that is coming out now is quite shocking. Some scientists are saying that the sun's south pole may be a switch point where the magnetic field flips. This can have an impact not only on space, but also on Earth's satellites, GPS systems, and even the climate. If this is true, then we are living in a phase where Earth's technology could be significantly affected by the sun's mood. Imagine, one day your mobile, GPS or satellites would be out of service just because something got stuck in the south pole of the sun. This view has not only shown a place, but it has opened a new door for space weather predictions, solar defense systems, and futuristic shielding technology. What do you think the sun's south pole is hiding from us? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more what if mysteries like this.